out of 3 possible initial suspect, we have apprehended 2 of the major participants in the crime. Here is Abel Manabat Inuki. Ito yung guide.
Yes, sir.
And Albert Manabat Inuki. Shooter.
Yes, sir.
So, of 2 of at least minimum 3 to the family of Akinobu Nakayama, 42 years old, from Shizuoka, Japan. And Hideaki Satori, 53 years old. Kami taus-pusong nakikiramay sa pamilya ng mga biktima. I hope this effort, combined effort of the Philippine National Police and Manila Police District and Regional Police and all other men and women behind this investigation and your city government can bring justice to the victims. Nalulungkot kami na meron pa ring sumusubok sa Maynila. But we guarantee you, no matter what, we will not rest until justice is served. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, the least thing that I can do for Manila for now is maging maaliwalas at panatag ang pamumuhay. So, panatag in such a way that we will put things in right order as much as we can. But then again, hindi mo naman yan na mapipigilan basta-basta ang isang masamang tao gumawa ng masama sa kanyang kapwa. But the guarantee of your city government and through the help of MPD and other enforcement unit in the case of maritime, sumisid pa yan. Yan, yung nakuha nating suspect na 2, yung tinapon yung motor, sinisid pa ng maritime group natin para makuha yung getaway bike. This is a different story. If you were not here early on, there's kung paano na-resolve yung isang kaso na yun. The guarantee to the people of Manila and to those visiting in the city of Manila is that kapag ginawa nila yung krimen dito, ang ikamamatay nila, puyat. Dahil hindi sila matutulog ng mahimbing. As we promise, we will spend every single cent in our city coffers to apprehend and bring these people to justice.